Come test drive the 2005 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: fog lamps, dual beam dual effect headlamps, interval wipers, power moonroof, map lights, power sliding rear window, front passenger side roof ride handle, body color bumpers, tinted glass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.